Welcome to our factory. Today I'll show you exactly how ice cream is made in bulk sim step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
The first step is blending all ingredients to create the perfect ice cream base mixture.
Pasteurization eliminates bacteria while preserving the cream's rich flavor. The mixture ages for 4 to 24 hours, allowing flavors to develop and fat crystals to stabilize.
सेक्टर से पैक्यन केमिकल्स पाफ्यूम कर सकते हैं दो बच्चा तक कि में काप्तेम इससे काट सकते हैं धनी करती नीम तो तीन स्टिक है
Now comes the magic moment. Continuous freezing while incorporating air to create that smooth, creamy texture.
products must be rapidly frozen to -18 degrees Celsius in the hardening tunnel to lock in quality and prevent large ice crystals. Core temperature verified at -18.
No visible defects. Texture and color are optimal. Proper freezing confirmed.
Every batch undergoes rigorous testing to ensure safety, texture, flavor, and consistency meet our standards.
This one has a very creamy texture.
I agree. The mouthfeel is excellent.
From here, our ice cream is distributed to stores worldwide, maintaining the cold chain every step of the way.
And that's how ice cream is made in bulk, from fresh ingredients to the freezer in your favorite store. Every step is carefully controlled to bring you perfect quality.